Welcome everybody to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are unboxing and we're testing out this vacuum cleaner. I believe it's TKTK, maybe, or TKTK, but I'll put a link in the video description so you can actually see the details, the price, and more information on this if you are interested. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm always looking forward to try new vacuum sealers, and looks like they supply us with some vacuum bags. That is really nice of them. Fun fact, a lot of companies don't do that. You got your power cord. Oh, look at that. Even more bags. A measuring tape, little Amazon card here, and here it is. That's really nice. I love that. I assume that's probably, yeah, that's metal. That's really nice. So we got Dry, Moist for vacuum and sealing. You have Pulse, Seal Time, Canister, Seal, and Cancel. So on the side here, go ahead and press in and it opens up. Looks like we got something else in here in a little gift bag. So it looks like it has a tube, and I believe that is for using jars. No way! They actually supply a marker for you to write on your bags as well. Is that not handy or what? This is actually the first vacuum sealing company that has actually sent me, and I assume that goes with the jar probably as well, that's actually sent me a marker with the vacuum sealer. That is really cool. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So while I'm setting it up, I realized something pretty awesome, that it also has a cutter on it, so you can cut your vacuum seal bags and pull it underneath it like this. So you lift that up, put your bag underneath it, and pull it to whatever you need. Go ahead, slice across, and it'll make a nice straight cut. Then we can go ahead and seal it by placing it down in here. Push both corners down, make sure it's down tight, and we're going to go ahead and seal. Oh no, here we go. Seal. And now it's sealing. And then you wait until it turns, I think it's blue, or it goes off. So it went off. Let's go ahead and check. And it sealed it. To make sure, yep, it is airtight. So what I like to do, now a lot of people don't do this, but I like to do it. I like to seal something twice. And that is just my personal opinion. If I'm doing something, alright, so go ahead and try and make the bag straight as you can. Get all the corners filled, and then you want to take it, you want to leave some room up front. And then we will go ahead and place this down in here, like so. Try and get it straight and even, no creases. Alright, now it's sealing. So that was vacuum, and now it's sealing. And lift it up, and there you go. Airtight, 100% sealed. So now we can store this for much longer. Stuff that can create, I don't want to say dust, but stuff that's very fine, just make sure you blow it out. And like always, I double seal everything. So we're going to heat seal above it as well, and we just simply press seal. So I'm very happy. And again, yeah, this is for like a canister or something. And honestly, this is working really well. I'm very impressed with it. In fact, I believe it's going to be my go-to one, because not only can you put your bags in here, but you can cut it, you can seal it, you can vacuum seal it, just plain seal it. Very happy. The design, it's more bulky than some of the other slim ones, but it has more features and more options. Therefore, it makes it a lot nicer than some of the other ones I have. So I definitely am going to be using this for more stuff. You guys would definitely be seeing this in other videos, probably on my other channel called Saturdays with Scott. That's where I do most of my vacuum sealing and other stuff. So definitely very happy with this. Definitely gets, to be honest with you, we're giving it a 10 out of 10 for right now. I'll update it in 6 months and let you know, but definitely a 10 out of 10 for now, because it's working perfectly. There was I can honestly say, off camera, there was no issues. There was nothing. I didn't have to look in the manual. I didn't have to look up online how it works. Very simple, easy to use. Very happy with it. 10 out of 10, which is a 5-star rating from me. Thank you so much for watching. There's a link in my video description if you're interested.